Virtual reality. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a computer-generated simulated environment that allows users to interact with their virtual surroundings in a way that closely resembles the real world. The environment is created using computer software and hardware, and users may need to wear devices like helmet or goggles to interact with it. The more users can immerse themselves in the VR environment, the more they can forget about their physical surrounding and experience it as if it were real. Even if the virtual environment is fantastical, users can suspend their disbelief and accept it as genuine.
Problem background. With motion invention of the telesphere mask and the sensorama in the 1916, the idea of virtual reality was initially presented. The original technologies were designed to give the viewer the impression that they are a part of the movie by completely engrossing them in the visual display surrounding them. Ivan Sutherland came up with the concept for the ultimate display, which used a similar principle to let the viewer feel fully immersed in a computer-generated environment by utilizing a variety of input and output methods. The next significant leap in VR technology development took place in early 2010. Following the development of Sensorama and the concept of the ultimate display in the 1916. The reason it is invented, VR aimed to give people a virtual environment in which they can engage with computer in the same way as they would in the real world. For example, by sending a letter to a virtual person, sketching a picture, or having a spoken conversation. With a hand gesture, we may pick up and move a virtual object. We can communicate with a computer in an easy-to-use virtual environment without encountering any obstacle. We can travel to a virtual landscape created by VR technology in the same way that we would a real one, giving us a 3D picture of the scenery along with sound and scene enhance our enjoyment of it.
Now, I would like to talk about how the invention works. Virtual reality (VR) has transformed the way employee training programs are conducted by offering immersive and interactive learning experiences. VR also enables the creation of lifelike scenarios that closely mimic real-world situations, allowing employees to acquire practical skills and problem-solving abilities. This is especially advantageous for training in high-risk or dangerous environments where errors can have severe consequences. VR can also eliminate the requirement for costly physical training equipment and venues, enabling employees to undergo realistic training without the need for physical resources, thereby reducing the costs associated with traditional training methods. Additionally, virtual reality can cater to individual learning style and pace, as the technology can monitor user interaction and adjust the training content based on the learner progress, ensuring a personalized and efficient learning experience.
Impacts of this invention. The introduction of virtual reality in employee training programs has transformed the way people learn, providing advantages like heightened participation, lifelike stimulators, reduced costs, and enhanced accessibility. These effects help in developing a more proficient, self-assured, and a flexible workspace. The research by the University of Maryland found that the VR training resulted in an 8.8% increase in employee performance compared to the traditional training methods. Deloitte reports that VR training improved the employee's confidence, resulting in a 34% increase in the productivity. Improving skills while avoiding life risk. In the healthcare sector, virtual reality is revolutionizing medical training and enhancing patient care. Virtual reality stimulations allows the medical professionals to practice complex procedures and surgery in a risk-free environment, and also reducing errors and then improving the overall performance.